That
You just got left for a puppy.
the cutest dog.
You guys want to say hi?
How old is he?
7 weeks. It's a girl.
Oh my
wow.
gosh. What kind of dog?
It's a Chihuahua teacup.
Oh my god. What's her name?
Layla.
She's so cute.
Impressive.
I know. Don't be shy.
How old is he?
7 weeks. It's a girl.
7 weeks? She's
Yeah.
oh my gosh. Have you named her?
Layla.
Layla.
Oh my gosh.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
Oh.
So cute.
Thank you.
I gotta see
Bye. You want to say hi?
You avoided
Say
the
hi.
no dogs on the pier rule.
For now.
her. How old?
7 weeks.
7 weeks? That's
Yeah.
What kind of dog is that?
It's a Chihuahua teacup.
Oh my
So
goodness.
tiny.
Yeah. Say
That's
hi.
like the perfect thing. You don't have to take care of them that much.
Right. Thank you. Say hi. Her name is Layla.
Oh, it's so cute. How old is she?
7 weeks.
7 weeks. She's cold.
Hi. Her name is Layla. For sure.
Can I get a picture?
Sure. You want to say hi too?
What's his name?
Layla?
Layla.
Yeah. Yeah. She's a Chihuahua teacup.
Cute. Oh, that's cute.
You want to hold her? It's okay.
Oh, cute. What? Oh, down. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. Thank you. Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you.
Of course. You want to say hi?
She wants to hold him.
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
There you go.
I know.
Say hi, Layla.
It's like really cold.
She's a Chihuahua teacup.
It's so pretty.
She's 7 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Congrats, dude.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
of course.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Thank you.
Say bye.
Oh, so cute. How old is she?
She's 7 weeks. Yeah.
Precious.
She's a Chihuahua teacup.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. You want to say hi?
No,
You want to say hi?
precious.
Hi. I know. All right, well, you take care.
Thanks, have a
Of course. You too. Say hi.
dog is this?
She's a Chihuahua teacup.
Oh,
She's 7 weeks.
7 weeks?
Yeah, I just got it for Christmas.
Oh, that is so cute.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course. Say bye.
So cute.
Say hi,
How old is
Layla.
he?
She's 7 weeks.
So cute.
Say hi.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I got her for Christmas.
So cute.
I know. Say hi. Oh, she's
What
a
kind
little
of dog?
child. Chihuahua teacup. Yeah, they don't grow much.
Yeah. Treasure her forever.
I will. Trust me, I will.
Oh my goodness.
Say
You're
hi.
so tiny.
Say hi, Layla. I got her for Christmas. She's a Chihuahua teacup. Say hi. Do you want to hold her?
Yes. The magic words. She's so small.
I know.
I don't want
I'm
to
gonna
pet her
run
'cause
away with her.
I've been touching the dog too much. Hi, you're so cute.
Say hi. Say hi.
I wish you could say hi. That'd be special.
Aw, don't be scared. Don't be
So cute. Here, do you want her back?
scared. Sure.
If you don't want her back, I'll take her.
All right. Say bye. Bye. All right, well, you guys take care. Bye. You want to say hi? Say hi.
Oh my god, you have a puppy. I didn't even see that.
I know.
Oh, be nice. Sorry.
Oh.
He is a
Oh, it's
little
okay.
butt. Your butt.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
What kind of doggy is that?
Chihuahua. Chihuahua teacup.
Oh,
You wanna say hi?
Teacup Chihuahua.
Say
His
hi.
nose look a little. I guess they just grow up. I was like thinking his nose would be pointier, but I guess because of the puppy.
Right. No, they don't grow much. They're,
They don't
usually
grow much? Yeah,
nah,
they're teacup.
they're usually smaller than Chihuahuas.
What's his name?
Layla.
Layla.
Uh huh.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Say hi.
Adorable. How old is he?
7 weeks.
7 weeks.
Yeah. I got her for Christmas.
Oh, that's so sweet. Was it a surprise or no?
Yeah, I
Really?
wasn't expecting it. Yeah.
Did you want a dog?
Actually, yeah.
Like, I mean, it's great, but it's like kind of like, wow,
Right.
that's a really cool surprise.
I know.
Oh,
Say hi, Layla.
he's sleeping.
Yeah. She got tired.
She. Oh, look at this. Can I take a photo of you guys?
Of course.
I really like it. Awesome. Do you want me to send it to you? BJ's
Sure.
been there.
You can just airdrop it to me.
Yeah. What's her name?
Jesus.
Oh.
And her name is Layla.
Oh. Okay. I was like, wait, I thought she was a she. You're Jesus.
Yes.
Layla.
Yes.
That was my childhood dog's name.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
We named her Layla. Like we named different dogs Layla like so many times, like 5 of them.
Wow.
Okay. Airdrop. Is yours on?
Airdrop.
Right
Airdrop. Everyone. There you go.
Sweet.
Yeah. Yes.
Hell yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome. Thanks.
All right. Well, of course. Say bye.
Small puppy. Oh my god,
Yes.
can I pet it?
Of course.
Oh
Say hi.
my god.
Say hi, Layla.
Layla?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
So tiny.
You guys want to say hi?
What kind of puppy is that?
Chihuahua teacup.
No. You need this.
Of course.
Oh.
So tiny.
I know.
Baby. Is that a baby?
Sweetie.
I think all the guys here on the same page.
That
We just
is
got left for a puppy.
the cutest dog I have. Oh my gosh. Hi, sweetness. You're okay.
Do you want to hold it?
Love you. Yes. Oh my god. You're okay, honey. Oh, are you cold? Do you need a sweater? Oh my. How old is this small creature?
7 weeks. She's about to be 8 weeks.
7 weeks? Babe.
I know, we need to talk.
We need this
You're
dog.
killing me, man.
Oh my god. This is the sweetest thing. Oh my god, she's so cold. I feel
Oh.
like you need to buy her a small sweater.
I know. I need
A
to.
very small.
Very small
sweater.
sweater.
Maybe a doll store would be
Oh
the
my
right
god.
Probably.
You're okay, sweetness. Oh, she's shivering. Here, I feel like she misses you.
Oh, it's good morning.
You're so sweet, my pretty baby. You're so sweet. Oh, I'm sorry.
Settle down for now.
Oh my
Settle down.
god.
It's okay.
That just made my entire month.
Good. Good.
Yeah, there's nothing I could do that beats that.
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Of course. Of course. All right. You guys take care. Say bye, Layla. Bye.
Oh, you're so cute.
All right. Bye. See you guys.